What's up, you guys? Back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install some rear seat belts on a 96 through 2001 Acura Integra 2-door. So I did a lot of research. I couldn't find any video related to installing seat belts, so I'm just gonna wing it. So at first, you're gonna have this plastic sheet, and then you're gonna have all the seat belts and everything. I took the liberty of taking mine off just because it would speed the process. So all you need to do is bring the seat down, then just stick it out. I'm pretty sure it's just basic. So after you take this piece off, there's 1, 2, and 3 where the bolts are gonna go in. So once you guys are done, it should look like this right here. So like I said, it's just 1, 2, and 3 right there, and then there's a tiny one right there, but that's major key for this thing not to move. Also, when you're first installing the seatbelt, it's gonna be really hard to pull down. Once you have like the whole 3 spots connected, then it should work. And don't forget about the belt buckle. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention it. But all you guys are gonna need is a ratchet, extension to make life easier, a 17mm socket, and a 10mm too. So those are the only tools you're gonna need. And like I said, once you take all the seats, be very careful because you don't want to break the plastic right there, how I did. You know what I mean? You don't want to do that. Alright, so the seat belt's gonna be like this, and like I said, when it's not mounted, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to pull it down. So what we're gonna do is, this piece goes first, then the bottom one, and then the last one. Alright. Alright, I don't know if you guys were able to tell, but when I tightened this one all the way down, the screw at the bottom wouldn't go down. So my advice to you guys is just semi-tighten it, not all the way down, and then tighten this one until you can't turn it no more. then finish this one, and now it's just time to put the whole thing back, the plastic, and put the belt buckle right there. And yeah, there's water because I have a leak. Alright guys, so that's the final product. Bam, bam, bam. Then I'm pretty sure, like, if you bought used seat belts, you're gonna test them before you buy them, like at the junkyard and stuff. So right here, man, chequeate, loco. Boom, just like that. That works. Now I can take my kids with me, and yeah, on the next video of me working on my car, I'll probably show you guys or how I fix the leaks, or how I either replace the whole sunroof or fix the leakations. Alright, so this video was helpful, guys. Yeah, hit a thumbs up, like it, share it, and subscribe. We're trying to hit 100 subs. There's no rush, like whenever, but we're trying to hit it, if not more. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Dulces.